Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset VIVO X200. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two options how to restart this phone, reset this phone. So the first option is by using the settings, which is pretty common. So let's start with this. So let's go straight into the settings. Now we want to scroll down into the bottom until we find the system management. Now in here we have the reset options we want to get into, and beside factory resetting option also you can reset the Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, reset app preferences and reset all settings in those windows by simply clicking this blue button. Okay, but now we are interested in the factory reset. You can also enable it here to erase eSIM cards, but it's up to you. And now all you need to do is to tap on this blue button, erase all data, and then follow instruction on the screen. Also remember that factory resetting your phone will cause this, that all of your data will be permanently lost, so have that in mind. It's also good to have a backup. If you don't know how to create it, also on our channel we have a bunch of videos how to create it, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, so that's the first option via settings, but there's also the second option, as I have said, and this is by using the recovery mode. But first we need to turn off our phone. We click the power button and the volume up button to launch the power menu. Now we simply click on power off. Now let's wait around 3 seconds, let the phone rest for a moment. And to enter the recovery mode, we also need to use the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and the volume up button until the Vivo logo appears. But when it appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but to make sure that we get into the recovery mode, we will keep holding the volume up. So that's what I'm gonna perform now. Let's hold both of these buttons. Now I can release from the power button, and now we are in the fast boot mode. Okay, to move around this menu between the reboot and the recovery mode option, we use volume buttons. And if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click on the power button. Okay, so within a few seconds we should be in the recovery mode, so let's wait. Okay, and here it is. Also, beside clearing data, which we are interested in the most for now, you can also install the software in here, check the system and enter safe mode. Okay, so let's click on clear data, again clear data, and now simply click on clear. Now as you can see, the process has started. We need to wait until this blue line gets into the end. And also please remember that also this method will cause this, that all of your data will be lost from the phone. Okay, it should end in a while. Okay, now we have our confirmation. As you can see, data wipe complete, all data cleared. So now we want to click on return, again return, and now all you need to do is to tap on restart, click on OK, and now you will need to set up your phone. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.